The RMA 448TC is ideal for larger lawns of up to 500 metres squared, or about the size of 2 tennis courts. This can be done with one fully charged battery. The mowers use the latest 36-volt lithium-ion batteries, giving you the freedom to mow without cords and cables. What's more, these mowers have 2 battery slots, one for powering the machine and one for a spare, giving you the option to mow for longer. The same battery can be used in over 25 other tools in the STIHL Cordless range, giving you one of the widest garden care systems on the market. This clever mono handlebar is a great feature. It makes accessing and emptying the grass box simple compared to a conventional mower, and the handlebar folds away neatly, giving you more space in your shed or garage. You can adjust the height of the handlebar without tools, and the height of the mowing deck is easily adjusted using this lever. Another smart feature is the flow optimised blade, which makes the grass stand upright, cuts it efficiently, then the airflow blows the cuttings into the grass catcher box, which holds up to 55 litres of grass. A grass level indicator lets you know when the box is full, and it's easy to empty as the box can be opened just like a clamshell. The RMA 448TC can be converted into a mulch mower with a mulching accessory kit. This is a great way of achieving a lush lawn without having to use fertiliser, with the added bonus of not having to get rid of your grass cuttings. For added ease of use, the RMA 448TC has 1-speed drive, which means the mower is self-propelled. You feel the benefit of 1-speed drive when mowing up a slight slope and covering large lawn areas. To help you mow for longer, Eco Mode maximises the battery life by regulating the speed of the blades in line with what you're mowing. In higher, dense grass, the blades spin faster, and during a regular cut, they will be slower. The RMA 448TC is an outstanding choice for gardeners who demand the best from their mower.